We all want to ensure our family's future. Making sure that they're provided for goes beyond their day-to-day needs. Have you considered what will happen to them when you're no longer here? Creating a solid financial plan will help ensure their quality of life now and when the inevitable happens. Vince here from Unifirst Financial. Today, I want to share with you numerous risk factors that could impact your family's lifestyle and an affordable alternative to help you avert these risks. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Now, many families today faces many risks. These risk factors are especially higher during times of uncertainty. Without a sound plan in place, they will surely suffer more than they have to. We know it's overwhelming to think about our own mortality. Even worse, to think about what we're leaving behind for our family and loved ones to attend to. If you haven't organized a plan to ease your family's transition when the inevitable happens, you shouldn't put it off any longer. Given the increasing probability, do you really want to be unprepared? No, you don't. You should act now and start early. Consider the increasing cost of living expenses, the cost of rent or mortgage, the rising cost of education. Most families today are dependent on two incomes. What would happen to your family if that balance is impacted by a sudden loss of a loved one? How will they cope with losing you? Who will provide them protection and the financial security that they deserve? How will this impact their future? Is your financial house in order? When was the last time you reviewed your policy and your financial plan? As you can see, the average cost of a home in New York City is roughly $500,000, with an approximate monthly mortgage of $2,500 or higher. The monthly cost of rent is just about the same and increasing. Depending on where you live, it could be much more expensive. You can also see here that the cost of attaining a higher education is continually rising. We want our children to succeed. Achieving a higher level of education, they're more likely to earn more and less likely to be unemployed. But the cost of tuition and associated expenses is not the only hurdle that families must overcome. Student debt has also continually increased as a result of higher expenses. Most students will painfully owe a lot more after graduating, which will most likely delay their progression. As if it wasn't bad enough. But how will your spouse who is now alone tackle childcare? What if you have 2 or 3 children? What if you have a college-bound kid with younger siblings? Will these determinants affect their ability to pay for education? What about the added expenses? According to Care.com, 40% of families today spend more than 15% of their household income in childcare costs. We know these rates could be much higher in New York. There are many more questions to ask and other issues to address. What would you suggest, or how would you handle these added concerns? Who must attend to these issues? Who inherits these existing liabilities and problems? How will this impact their livelihood? Can you see that without a solid plan in place, your family will lack the protection that they deserve, not to mention the financial security that they require to succeed? Managing your family's risk is essential. Having a life policy in place will help them transition during one of life's most challenging times. Instead of leaving them with difficult questions to answer during this vulnerable state, you can continually help protect their life, the life you and your family built together even after you are gone. This is not a matter that you want to leave to fate. Prevent your family from suffering life-altering changes, ensure their current lifestyle, and reduce negative influences from impacting their future. Provide them a chance to succeed and afford them opportunities they so deserve. Protect their lifestyle and their future. Time is against you, but we are here to help you make the right decisions. Protect your family and loved ones. Act now to ensure their quality of life and secure their financial future. Protect those who matter most. Look, we know that everyone's financial obligations are different. For some people, permanent life insurance is just simply unaffordable. For these families, or younger families looking for alternative ways to protect their loved ones, or even people looking to offset specific liabilities, like the cost of their mortgage. Getting a term life policy will provide for your immediate need without the higher premium cost that's associated with other forms of life insurance. Term life policies offer a leveled payment structure for a set period that's convertible and renewable. This gives you the flexibility that you need. Then as your lifestyle, responsibilities, and goals change, term life policies can be converted. Premiums you have paid may be applied as conversion credits towards a whole life policy. We know that all of this can be confusing, so it's best to have someone by your side to help you review your plan at least once a year. When you are ready, we're here to help you. The application process is simple. You can start by requesting a quote, and one of our advisors will help you every step of the way. You can connect with us on social media, visit our website, or simply just give us a call. Now, due to recent events, we're continually praying for you and your family's wellness, health, and safety. We would like to remind you to please be mindful of your surroundings and actions. Helping you with your financial planning need is our top priority. During these times, we understand you may have more concern and may need immediate help finding a suitable plan to protect the people who matter most to you. Rest assured, we're here to help you. We're taking the precautions to protect you as well as our staff and our own family. So we will conduct virtual meetings and phone interviews to help qualify your needs. Our staff members are working at full capacity to help ensure that your needs are met. If you need a quote or have any questions, feel free to set up an appointment and let us know how we can serve you today.